Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. I am so excited to teach you some algebra today. So let's go ahead and take a look at our calendar. Today we are working on Unit 3, page 196. So let's go ahead and go over to page 196. Oops, I went a little too fast. Okay, so here we are. Unit 3, page 196. Now, this is only one question, and it's asking you to circle all graphs showing a linear function. Linear means that it is in a line. So, it's asking you to circle all of the graphs showing a linear function. So, do you think this is a linear function? Yes, so go ahead and put a circle on it. Now, look at the next one. Do you think this is a linear function? Is it in a line? Yes, so you can go ahead and circle it. Now let's look at the third one. Is this showing a linear function? No, this isn't a curve, right? So you guys will not circle this graph. Let's look at number 4. Is this a linear function? No, this is also in a curve. Thank you so much for paying attention and working hard. When you guys are done with your assignment, make sure you turn it in to your teacher by a picture or uploading it through Teams. Have a great day. Thank you for working hard.